What's going on, guys? So in this video, I'm going to be going over Facebook pixels and custom conversions. So now we have your funnel completely done. Again, I want to make sure you guys are going through your entire funnel, reading everything, understanding everything, and also, fixing that if you need to put your name somewhere or, fixing whatever. You just want to run through and make sure your funnel's completely good. Once we have our funnel done, we've got the email automations all installed. Now we want to go over to your business.facebook account and to your ads manager, and we want to create some custom conversions, and we want to now create some install your pixels. So this is the ad account. Again, I'm using the extra ad account. So what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to go into all tools. What I want to do first is I want to install the pixel. I want to make sure I install the main pixel and also install these event pixels that we need. So in here I haven't created a pixel, so I need to create a pixel. What I'll name this is just extras pixel. Now when you create your pixel for your ad account that you're using for the affiliate program, what you want to do is make sure you name it something that you would understand. So if it's MDM affiliate pixel, I would probably recommend that, or MDM Academy pixel. Then you want to just hit create at the bottom. So now we have created a Facebook pixel. Now what we need to do, we need to wait for it to do all this loading and creating all this. We just basically need to install some code. So we need to go to manually install the code yourself. Now we scroll down a little bit. We've got this pixel code right here, and it'll highlight, and we'll just click it, and it's going to be copied. Now what we need to do is we need to go back up to our ClickFunnels, into the funnel I'm using. Make sure you're using the right funnel. I'm going to go into the settings section. I'm going to scroll underneath the head tracking code. Now, if you can't work with this area, you can always grab down here and make this box a little bigger. And what I'm doing is I'm installing that whole Facebook pixel code in there. Then I'm just going to scroll down to the bottom and hit save and update. So now I've got that pixel code installed in there. Now what I want to do is basically go down to the bottom and hit continue. Now the event pixel code, since we're already here, we're going to go ahead and add these guys in here. The two that we're going to need is the generate your lead pixel and then a complete registration pixel. So we're going to get generate your lead. We're going to turn that guy on. We don't need to have any, we don't need to turn this on or use this. We just need to copy this code. Now, what we need to do with this code is we need to now go inside of this page. So we're going to click this page, and now what we're going to do is we're going to go into edit page. We're going to see that we've got our funnel page. We're going to scroll under tracking code. Notice I already have mine installed. So you want to just go in here, and I'm going to just delete this, and I'm going to go up and paste the new pixel code. I'm going to exit out, and I'm going to hit save up at the top. Again, if you did not save, it's not going to work. So make sure you save that code in there. Now we're going to go back, and we're going to scroll up. We're going to take this guy off. Now we're going to click this guy. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to copy that pixel code. But what we're going to do is we're going to install that in here. Now the reason why we installed this pixel code in here is when somebody opts in, they're now considered a lead. So when somebody hits this page, it's going to boom, the Facebook pixel is going to fire, and it's going to tell us, boom, you've got yourself a lead. And, of course, we'll go to ClickFunnels and we'll see inside of our contacts that we have a lead. So when we're doing the complete registration, so now we've got the complete registration pixel code, we're going to put that under call confirm because we want to see that they go through the whole entire process. Now they filled out an application and they've scheduled a call. Remember, if we have both the redirects in there, then they're going to come and land on this page final. So we need to go in this page and hit edit. And this is the thank you page. Again, you want to make sure everything's good. So scrolling down, this is what mine says. You might want to make sure that it says your name and the Millennial Digital Marketing Team. Now you want to go up to settings and you want to go under tracking code. And again, I've got one in here, but I'm just going to delete it to show you. We guys are going to paste that code in there, exit. We're going to go up and hit save. So I can go hit save, and then boom. Then we're going to hit exit, and it's all saved. Everything is good. And that is installing both your pixels. Now we're going to go your main pixel code and both the event pixels. Now we're going to go down to the bottom and hit done. And what we want to do is we want to refresh this. We want to just go up to the top and refresh the page. Now, it might have already fired once you've installed it, and you might get a page that looks like this. Now, we don't have any recent activities. It says that we haven't set up a pixel. So what we can do to make it fire is we can go actually to our funnel and take our URL and copy this. We'll pull up a new page and we'll paste it in there. So boom, it will load all up, and we're just gonna let this, we're gonna sit here for a second. And also if you have the Google Chrome extension, you'll have Pixel Helper, then you will also be able to notice that you will have probably a 2 or 3 up inside of your where your pixel code Google Chrome extension is. So now that we've let that load, we can just exit that page. I'm going to go back here, and I'm just going to go ahead and refresh this. Now what it's going to probably do is it's still, all right, last minute 4 minutes ago, we don't have any recent activity. Okay, so what we need to do now is create custom conversions for this and for these event pixel codes. So we're going to go under all tools, we're going to go into custom conversions. Now I might have some made already here, so if I do, awesome. Okay, I don't. Perfect. So we're going to hit create custom conversion. Now what I need to do, website traffic, this is what I need. So I need to get the URL from the webinar room and application room, because that is one of our event pixels that we need. So I need to copy that. I need to go in here and hit paste. Now I need to look over to make sure that it's not, boom, it's good. It's all in there. Everything's good to go. Now what I need to do is name this. So this is going to be MDM lead. And I'm going to go under here and name this as a lead. Now I don't have to put a value in here. And what I want to do is just hit create. So what that's going to do is create that. Now what I need to do is hit done. I can move out of here and I can create another custom conversion. Now what I need to do is remember we did another custom conversion, which was complete registration. Now I'm going to grab this URL and I'm going to go back into here and I'm going to paste it into here. Now it's completely locked into place. I'm going to name this as MDM complete lead. And if you guys don't know what a complete lead is, what you could do is in parentheses put app plus call. And that's going to basically tell you that it's an application and a scheduled call. Now we're going to go under complete registration and we're going to hit create. So now we've got both of these installed. What you do want to do is test these by going and actually loading the page, possibly in an incognito window. If you don't know what an incognito window is, you'll just go over your browser, Google Chrome. Hopefully we're all using Google Chrome, and you'll just right click over it and hit open in incognito, and then you will paste that URL to your funnel, go through the whole entire thing, and all of your pixels should fire, and also it should show you your custom conversions that fired as well. I'm not going to go through that with you guys on the video because you guys should be able to get all that stuff done. So that is installing your Facebook pixel, creating your Facebook pixel, also creating your custom conversions, and installing those for the Millennial Digital Marketing Affiliate Program